Today, we're delving into a shocking incident that occurred at the Tesla factory located in Giga, Texas, near Austin. In a revealing report of injuries in 2021, a Tesla engineer fell victim to a brutal malfunction while programming software for robots at the factory. Witnesses recounted a terrifying moment when the robot, designed to handle aluminum parts, unexpectedly grabbed and severely injured the engineer. This incident has brought to light growing concerns about the risks associated with integrating advanced technologies, such as automated robots, in the workplace. Discussions about safety, emergency protocols, and accuracy in incident reporting have become crucial points in the debate about the future of work and human-machine interaction. However, this situation is not unique. Similar incidents in other sectors, such as Amazon shipping centers, ethical issues involving robotic surgeons, and even alleged cases of violence by robotic chess instructors, have raised questions about the rapid adoption of these innovations and their impacts on work environments. In the 2021 injury report, a shocking event took place at the Tesla factory. An engineer, while performing software programming tasks to enhance the efficiency of other machines on the production line, fell victim to an unexpected attack by a robot in the factory. Horrified witnesses observed a severe malfunction of the machine, resulting in serious injuries to the engineer. The report details the critical moment when the robot, originally designed to handle fresh aluminum parts, unexpectedly grabbed the engineer. Witnesses described the scene as distressing, watching the engineer being ensnared by the machine while attempting to carry out regular tasks. The quotes in the report paint a harrowing picture of the incident. The engineer sustained severe injuries, with the robot's metallic claws penetrating their back and arms, leaving a trail of blood across the factory floor. A witness described how the engineers struggled to free themselves from the robot's grip while another colleague swiftly acted, triggering the emergency button to halt the attack. This extremely distressing incident has revealed the vulnerability of employees to malfunctions in automated machines and has raised profound concerns about workplace safety, especially in highly technological environments like the Tesla factory in Giga, Texas. This incident at the Tesla factory has shed light on crucial workplace safety issues. The integration of advanced technologies, such as automated robots, has brought significant concerns. It's not just at Tesla that we see these concerns arising. Similar cases across various sectors, whether in shipping centers, medical industries with robotic surgeons, or even controversial situations involving other forms of automation, have sparked debates and reflections on the interaction between humans and machines in the workplace. Statistics indicate a rise in incidents correlated with the implementation of advanced technologies. Discussions on worker safety and the need for stricter regulations are gaining prominence in this context. Beyond the impactful incident involving the robot, alarming allegations of underreporting workplace injuries have emerged, including reports of severe cases. Transparency and accuracy in incident reporting are crucial to ensuring workers' safety and protection. Data reveals a potential disparity between the incident statistics at the Tesla factory compared to the automotive industry average. Concerns about the accuracy of accident reports and the true extent of injuries raise significant worries about workplace safety. Experts emphasize the need for a transparent and accurate approach in documenting incidents. Underreporting of injuries, if confirmed, could compromise worker safety and highlight gaps in the factory's reporting and safety systems. These concerns raise crucial questions about safety culture, transparency, and compliance in modern industrial environments. Let's delve deeper into this analysis and explore possible paths to ensure a safer working environment for everyone. Experts and industry professionals have expressed the urgent need for thorough investigations following incidents like this at the Tesla factory. These in-depth analyses are critical not only for Tesla but for all companies seeking to ensure the safety and well-being of their employees. These specialized voices highlight the importance of adopting precise and comprehensive corrective measures. This includes not only reviewing safety procedures but also implementing new protocols that can prevent similar incidents in the future. Listening to these experts, it's clear that workplace safety is not an isolated issue but a shared responsibility for all involved. Decisive actions are necessary to ensure that work environments are safe and free from risks for all employees. As we conclude this analysis, it becomes evident that compliance with incident reporting requirements is crucial to maintaining safe work environments. Moreover, it's essential for companies to prioritize adequate training and implement effective safety protocols. Workplace safety isn't solely a company's responsibility, but a commitment from everyone involved. When organizations fulfill their obligations in reporting incidents and invest in continuous training, they create a safer and healthier environment for all employees. Additionally, Germany announced the immediate cessation of subsidies for electric cars, leaving a significant impact on the global automotive industry. The incentive package providing substantial discounts on electric vehicle purchases was terminated a month earlier than anticipated, causing immediate repercussions. This measure, taken by the German governmental coalition, aims to address a budgetary crisis and is already beginning to impact automakers such as Tesla, Volkswagen, BMW, Stellantis, and others. The incentive, which offered discounts of up to €4,500 on the purchase of electric cars, had its registration closed, directly impacting the demand for these vehicles. Tesla, known for its strong presence in the electric car market, has been particularly affected as it relied on these subsidies in Germany to boost its sales. The change in subsidy policy also aligns with stricter restrictions seen in other countries, such as the recent limitation in France, where only electric vehicles manufactured in Europe are eligible for subsidies. This alteration in subsidy policy could signify a setback for the demand for electric cars. However, automakers like Tesla are seeking alternative strategies to circumvent this reduction. Adjusting sales and marketing plans, as well as exploring new markets with more attractive incentives, are emerging as measures to confront this new scenario. With the cessation of subsidies in Germany and increasing restrictions in other countries, the automotive industry faces challenges but also opportunities for innovation and adaptation in an ever-evolving market. Tesla has been a true catalyst in transforming the automotive sector, driving a significant shift towards sustainable mobility. Their visionary approach and unwavering commitment to innovation have not only redefined the concept of electric cars, but have also set a high standard for the industry as a whole. What sets Tesla apart goes beyond merely creating electric cars. They are redefining the entire automotive experience by combining cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and exceptional performance. The outstanding quality of their vehicles, from the Model S to the Model Y, demonstrates a genuine commitment to providing a viable alternative to fuel-powered vehicles without compromising quality, performance, or style. Moreover, Elon Musk's vision, the CEO of Tesla, to not only create electric cars but also expand charging infrastructure and advance battery technologies is groundbreaking. They are not just manufacturing vehicles, they are investing in a broader vision of an electric mobility ecosystem that could have a lasting impact on reducing carbon footprints. Tesla's supercharger network, for instance, is a testament to their dedication to making electric driving more practical and accessible. The ability to continuously innovate and adapt to challenges, such as changes in subsidy policies, is a hallmark of Tesla, highlighting its resilience and commitment to sustainable mobility despite adversities. Therefore, even in the face of challenges like changes in subsidy policies in Germany and elsewhere, Tesla remains an indisputable force in transforming the global automotive landscape, offering solutions that not only meet but also shape consumer expectations towards a cleaner and more energy-efficient future.